Can't trust people again, man. You have to know a spiritual connection we are dealing with. Intuition we are dealing right now. Gut feeling we are dealing with. My mind.
Me not trust none of them boy, the road boy. Remember.
Welcome again, my people. Yo, Mr. Me don't know. I have to share this. Zane, I have to share this. Because the other day, I was Empress who I link with. Zane, and one or few of my virgin them know the Empress and have connection with the Empress. You know what I mean? But me and her did have a relationship. Things they were work out for smooth and thing, but me and her still have that connection there. And reason and you know what I mean, we share things together. Same way. Although it never work out. So anyway, me and her end up link up. I was some reason the other day. Yeah, and a friend of mine reach out to her. This is a male friend, you know. Yeah, one of my friends, you know. I have her number, reach out to her, you know. Call her and thing, you know. And I was on the other phone. Because she have two phones. You see? So the phone when him call upon, it's a different phone that I was on. And she tell him to hold on and mute the call. And make me know say yes, my virgin a call her and she want to find out why him a call her and them thing there. And I say, I don't know, me never give no reason to call her or nothing like that. But play the game and I could see what I go on. Let me see if my virgin true to her man or not. See? So anyway, she start play the game. Come to find out that the virgin start put lyrics to the female and
Me not trust none of them boy, the road boy. Remember.
him know say me and the female usually link. And my virgin this way they want me and tell me say, oh yo, me you have a teacher now. Me rate you and me this and me that.
Me not trust none of them boy, the road boy. Remember.
When time I start hear the man talk something, me really have to meditate and I say, yo, people wicked, you know. Can't trust people. Like one time, things the man said to the female, you know. Yeah, and even start call my name when I say something about me and this and that, and me I said, Jano Star. Oh, mankind stay so, brother. Yeah, so if this virgin see me in the street, I want to come laugh with that man and thing, I tell you, a judge may be coming up, may become a judge. No more skin teeth from my man, you know. I have to go see this to realize that I did no say you did do that youth. I know say yeah go behind my back and try link with the woman who usually link with you. I want to know what kind of dirty mind you have on yourself, brother. What kind of corruption that you have on the mind. And I bring our people business to woman and them things. I want to know, brother. I impress you, I sound desperate and needy. Look how much more woman in the world than man, you know. More woman in the world than man. So you know when you find time for you try impress. You know when I impress. Because some demonic spirit not try impress. Because I can't the righteousness not deal with. Words are forward in your head as a man. You know say you're a virgin. We're there around, usually link with a female and you want to put yourself in other shoes there. What kind of men they are, brother? Them kind of liberty are going out there in the world. Then them type of dirty liberty are going out there. And I don't experience it. You know what work is might experience it or them know somebody where I go through it. Them kind of dirty liberty where some people are bringing around them. I want like them chew on them this and them that. When deep down in their mind and soul, them corrupt, them evil. You see me? Them wicked. No joke. You see me, I say my people. Yeah man, I mean a bag of thing about me, you know. Just to impress the female and this and that, you know. Way, I mean I say, but I want them youth, yeah. I man have them kind of meds, them. I don't want any of my friend them with a link with no woman. I would never want to put myself with that. Whereas any woman just lying in a bed, why I don't want to put myself in that situation there? After you not break off or whatever. I will not meds. People business them all about. For them look life, they're not business with that. That just people think them want. Them red there, them corrupt, them just bad mind. For what reason? If you sit down and have premeditate them kind of thing, yeah? Your black brother, you premeditate them type of thing if you go do. You not much more woman in the world than man, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, me experience and hear certain things, I say, John, no. Right now, I just straight isolation for him, man. I don't really want, you can't trust nobody. Even the female, me have to tell her, say, yo, man, it's too old, me hear you talk to the brother, and oh, you have him mind and control, and him start giving and call you baby and this and that and a bag of thing. I tell her, say, careful, because me not trust the vibration, me not like that look, they none at all. You see me? No joke, man. Me have to say, John, no. God say, just glad how everything when I come to you, say, no I time when you start see certain things if it's spiritual, things that will just unfold itself in front of you. Once you connect with the divine. You know what I mean? Because I'm never there look for these things and see it happen. Certain things unfold. And maybe it happen for you the same. We watch this. You can't trust people again, man. You have to know a spiritual connection we are dealing with. Intuition we are dealing right now. Gut feeling we are dealing with. My mind me are dealing with. Link with people out there in the world. Man, I just link with people so. Because then everybody have clean mind and pure heart. I would advise you to do the same. Get to know people, feel out people, find out if that alignment that comes from deep down within or just a flesh connection, a material connection, a financial connection. Because certain connection different, you know, you have spiritual connection, you know, different from material connection, you know. And when you connect in the spirit, you know, them things last forever, you know. When you connect in the material and some little petty thing, them things vanish away over time. You know, real. You see me? You know them things and you know that too. You know that too. You know where I watch that. Know this. A real thing. You see? So I just come to share it out there now. So the ones they know. So yo, don't trust people so easy, man. Make sure someone have spiritual connection with these people out there when I link it and I share information with. Because people mind dirty and corrupt and evil nowadays, you know. You can't trust them, man. I tell them, man, if you see a man with there around me, it what I see him pattern and everything. For me, I raised with this female on the phone the other day. And hear that kind of conversation they forward from the warrior. I feel I made his life different. I tell you. So last year I know. One of the ones them be mindful and be aware of these type of people out there in the world. Keep your circle small. Yeah? Keep your circle small. And just the Almighty make me send this out there right now. Then I will give thanks if I watch till the end of the video. Subscribe if you want more. Leave your thoughts if you want more. Let me know if you want me to talk about more of these type of things. Yeah, we give thanks. Big up on yourself. Divine love and gratitude.